So what do you think? We did the front spoiler a few weeks ago, and I said, yeah, we got to do a little bit more work, so now we got these side splitters. I think they look pretty cool. Just a little bit more accent that the car needed, you know, to go all the way around. Yeah. Not bad. Got that from Extreme online, reasonable price. Didn't come with any instructions, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. So, yeah, baby dirty, baby need a bath. All right. So we're going to replace the original mud flaps here on the C8 with some I got from Paragon that have an extended flap there. So that's only takes one 7mm bolt on the bottom and pop the clips out, and should be an easy install. And underneath here, there's the one little bolt that has to come out. Next, all you have to do is pull on this bottom here, and those clips should come out, and you can use a little pry tool. Just be careful with your paint. It'd probably be better, it'd be smarter if I put some tape on it here along the edge so I wouldn't scratch it, or use the plastic one, but I'm being careful here. So you can see they're just held in by these metal clips here, and Paragon supplied brand new clips for us to put back in. And you can see I've got them laid side by side here. This was the original. You can see the width of that lip versus the new lip there. So all the fittings are the same. There's two tabs on the front, and when you get to the rear, there's only going to be one tab up here, but there's 5 clips on the back. On the front, there should be 4 clips. So when you're reinstalling it, be sure you get these slots inserted into these 2 holes. Okay, so there's a slot on the top and the bottom, and that will just slide right in there. I'll line this one up, and there we go. And it's just a matter of reinstalling. I called it a bolt earlier, but it's technically a screw. Get that line back up, get it started, and you're done. Not only does it look nicer, but I think it's a bit more functional as it extends further out and keeps you from catching any rocks, especially if you've installed the shims to move or spacers, I guess they're called, is you've installed the spacers to move your wheel a little bit further out to get in line with the edge of the fender here. So, yep. There you go. That was it. We'll just do that 3 times.